In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom fields in Insightly. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a custom object and then create a custom field that your team can start using right away. Start by opening Insightly and heading to your profile menu at the top right. From there, go into System Settings. This is where admins control the structure of your CRM, so make sure you have the right permissions before you begin. In the left-hand menu, choose Objects and Fields to work with the data model of your account. We'll begin by creating a new custom object because custom fields live on an object. Click New Custom Object. Give it a clear singular label that describes a single record and a plural label for the list view. Good naming here helps your users recognize exactly what they're looking at. Add a concise description so anyone managing the CRM later understands the purpose and scope of this object. You'll see options to define the primary field for the object. Add a field label and select the field type that best identifies a record, such as text or another appropriate type for your use case. Decide whether you want this object to show in sidebar so it's easy to access from the main navigation. Then choose an icon that visually represents the object and makes it stand out. When everything looks right, click Save Custom Object to create it. Next, open Object Fields for your new object and click New Field. You'll be asked to choose a field type. In this example, select the checkbox option to create a simple true or false field, then click Next. Enter a clear field label so users instantly understand what the checkbox indicates. If it makes sense for your workflow, set a default value to pre-fill the field as checked or unchecked. Use the description to document why the field exists and how it should be used. Add help text to guide users directly on the form, especially if the field could be misinterpreted. You can also control visibility by marking the field as hidden if it should not appear on standard forms, and mark it read only if users should see it but not change it. These settings help maintain data quality and keep forms clean. When you're finished, click Save Custom Field. Your checkbox field is now part of the object and ready to be used in records, views, and reports. That's it. Your custom object is set up and your new custom field is live.